Good evening, traders. I'm Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel Smart Index Edge. Most people will never figure this out. They will spend years chasing indicators, copying strategies, quoting books, only to end up confused, frustrated, and stuck in the same cycle. Win, lose, overtrade, repeat. Win, lose, overtrade, and repeat. But deep down, you know there is more to trading than setups and signals because you have seen it. Traders with all the knowledge still make emotional decisions even with high IQs, they blow out accounts. Big talk. They don't have only big talk, only small results. So, what is missing here? It is not information, it is transformation that is needed for the every trader. In this video, I am not giving you a strategy, I am giving you the mental armor real traders wear. You should wear this mental armor. That is more important. Otherwise, you cannot succeed. Whatever you have, whatever strategy, whatever setups, everything, you should have this. The 5 silent shifts that turn ordinary traders into calm, focused, unstoppable forces in the market. No noise, no ego, just quiet commanding power. So if you are ready, stop everything and listen to me carefully. These are the 5 mental shifts that will make you an unshakable trader. In the world of chaotic market, lot of chaos. Over here, you need to be like this, meditating, calm, sitting quietly. You should have this mental shift. You should be like a meditating saint. Inner calmness should be there. Then only you can see the things clearly. Truth bomb is being smart in trading isn't about knowing more, it is about thinking differently. You have to start thinking differently. These 5 shifts won't just make you smarter, they will make you dangerously effective. No hype, no noise, just calm market mastery. You need to master the market with a calm mind. That is the thing you need to do. Then only you can bring success to your strategies, success to your indicators, success to your knowledge, everything. Here I am presenting the chart of Nifty 50, today's trade. In the first 5-minute candle, you can see over here, this is 27th plotted over here. First 5-minute candle is a big, huge candle gapping above the previous day high, and then it started in the second candle itself, it started plotting big 5-minute, big red candles. The price coming and even coming below the first 5-minute candle. So, according to the technical charts and whatever you have learned, you think it's a breakdown. You don't see what has happened on the previous day. Here you can see if you would have had calm mind and have marked the previous day, previous 1 hour, the previous 1 hour shift was towards the upside. It was just retesting that level. If you would have seen with calm mind and with patiently, you would not have done mistake. Many people, I know many people might have done mistake pressing the sell button or buying put option. But here the market consolidated for more than 2 hours. Only after 10:45, the market picked up its momentum, broke above the level and moved higher. So only with the calm mind and the levels, whatever you see of the structure with calm mind, you could have decided on the right side. For that, calmness is very important and patience is very important in the market. Don't trade to win, trade to understand. That's what I did. When I saw the Nifty coming down, I tried to understand where is the location, what the market is doing, what the price is doing, what was the previous 1 hour, previous days 1 hour, last 1 hour structure. Then everything became clear. I understood that it is retesting that level and it is trying to move out. So don't trade to win, trade to understand. Most traders force trades to be right. They try to prove, dominate. But smart traders, they ask themselves, why did price move like this? What are the other traders thinking? What is the trap here? That was the trap actually. What the market did was a trap. They stay curious, not aggressive. In this picture, you can see two types of traders over here. One trader, after seeing a big red candle, is with confusion, is pressing the button. Pressing the sell button, you can see over here. But other trader who is very calm, he is questioning himself and taking the note and is seeing the price, is questioning himself, is this exhaustion or continuation? He is asking himself. Then he is making a right decision. You need to be like this, not like this. Without saying, you should never press the button, either to buy or to sell. Next shift is zoom out. Don't obsess. Most traders panic after one loss. They call it as a failure. But smart traders call it as a data and they journal it. They will question themselves. What led to this? What is the bigger pattern? They zoom out and see. That's what I did. Today, I zoomed out and saw the structure on the previous day. Last hour was a bullish pattern. That was a bullish continuation pattern. The Nifty made high and then it was retesting. That calmness created win on my trade. Sorry. What is the bigger pattern? You have to question yourself where I am in the structure. So, second thing, what you need to do, zoom out and see the system. Not the soap opera, not the price action, the panicness. If you would have seen as a picture, you would not have seen the system. So you need to zoom out and see the system. What is the real picture? Whether it is breaking down or retesting the structure. That's what it is. Here, you can see the trader is zooming out and seeing the structure with calm to see what is happening over here. You need to become like this. You need not be aggressive in your trading. Patience pays. Here, another trader, you see, he is confused with all the breaking news, everything on the media. He will listen to it. He will see the foreign investors, FII data, DII data. Nothing will be clear. Even for me, the data will not be clear. It is confusing. They will be buying, sometimes they will be selling, but still the market moves higher. But other things, other part of another trader, this is the two picture of the trader. He is listening to this news and getting confused. Other part of the trader, in the left hand, you can see he is journaling it, trading journal. So he is calm. This trader is calm and he knows what it is, what the structure is. Even in the morning video, I had made that market has broken out of the month-long range. So Nifty will continue its up move. But it slowed down. The momentum was not there as on Thursday. Market was slow. But if you would have stayed calmly and seen the structure properly, you would have won the race today. So you don't get confused by so many data feed. Try to journal your trade. Shift 3 is this in my control? Traders waste energy. That's what on the previous picture I showed. Waste on energy on news, tweets, foreign investor data. I see many traders, they write actually, oh, today it is going to happen, Pakistan war, and even Israel-Iran war. Trump said this. So many statements. They confuse. They forget about the real picture. They don't see what is happening on the chart, what is happening on the price. They tend to act on the news, tweets. Smart traders, on the other hand, ask themselves, can I control this? They will ask themselves. If yes, act on that. If no, just move on. Don't trade. I've told my followers, if the market gaps up too much, on Thursday it gapped up 220 points. I thought when it is gapping up, I may not get the opportunity to trade, but the market gave the opportunity. I started seeing the structure building. I was able to enter into the market successfully. So you have to question yourself. You cannot control the gap ups and gap downs in the market. Immediately pressing the button after the gap up or the gap down is not a real smart action. Wait patiently. Market will show you the way. That is the thing. Calm energy comes from ruthless focus. You need to focus the market with ruthless. You have to do this, not to control the market. You cannot control the market. You just need to watch the market with calm mind. Then everything unfolds. Here, see how many traders, when the market is either gapping down or gapping up, see the panicness in all these traders, and see other smart trader sipping the tea and calmly watching the market. See, you need to wait for the market to settle down. When there is storm, don't act. Stay calm. It will subside. Next shift is get comfortable with silence. When you start keeping silence, you can see more things. Most traders rush into trades, to fill the silence. They hate being in cash. It itches them. They want to put in the money and they want to trade. whatever it is, they want to bet on that. That is not the thing. Smart traders wait, they watch. If they don't get the trade, they won't just panically enter into the market. They hold silence and cash like a weapon. Remember, cash is a position. You should not lose cash. I've already made a video on hen laying golden eggs. You should not slaughter the hen for seeking golden eggs. Fifth shift is don't react. Observe. When price dumps, most of the people panically sell. That's what I showed you on the previous picture. The person immediately pressing the button after the huge sell-off, entering very late. Some people, when price spikes, most people, in the fear of missing out, FOMO, they will buy it, only to end up to lose. Next candle itself, when the price spiked, it makes a down move. But smart traders pause. They ask, is this a real move or a trap? What is the liquidity story? They will question themselves. You must be knowing liquidity story is the problem for the big institutional money, big money. They create a stage, a drama, create a stage for this drama to play on. They will do that. They grab the liquidity. That you should know. So do not become prey for the liquidity grabs. Wait patiently. Nothing will happen. So, waiting patiently and observing it will give you insight and power. Okay? See, here, all the people at the back side, they are panicking. But this person sitting in the center is questioning why, who is trapped, what changed. Then he will make decision. You need to become like this. You need to question yourself. Why? Who is trapped? Whether buyer is trapped or seller is trapped. What changed? If you start seeing the things with cool and calm mind, without any panic, you can see the things very differently. You will become unshakable. No one can shake you. The edge isn't loud. You don't need fancy setups, loud opinions, or fastest fingers. You need not trade like algos. Only you need mental discipline. That is mental discipline, patience, emotional control. For example, you enter into the trade, think by analyzing everything, but sometimes in a flick of time it reverses. But you will be knowing what is the cause for your entry. Even if it turns down, you will stay calm because you know the reason for your entry. That is the emotional control you need to develop. Mental discipline, patience, and emotional control. That is the trader's real edge. Not setups, not indicators, not opinions, nor fastest fingers. So it is the recap. Ask instead of arguing. Zoom out instead of panic. Focus only on what you can control. Embrace silence and sit out. Observe before reacting. These are the 5 mental shifts. If you adopt in your trading, definitely you will have an edge over other traders. Ask instead of arguing. Zoom out. Focus only on what is in your control. Sit out. Don't panic. Final words is let others chase noise, but you chase clarity. When you get a clarity, build quiet power. Trade with calm. Let your head speak. I have tried in very many ways and I have created a combination of the character which can bring clarity into my trade, that is hourly separator, TTM squeeze, hourly indicator. I have given it to the traders. I have explained it to you on the video. But if you don't analyze, understand how it works, you cannot trade. See, it is a simple logic what I see in the market, what the hourly open, hourly low is placed, where it is placed, from the hourly open and the low, how the market is moving, whether the price is moving from the hourly open and low towards the high, or from the high it is moving towards the low, breaking below the hourly open and low. That's what I closely observe. My trade is simple. My trade is observation. If I do not get the trade, I do not chase it. So you have to build the quiet power. You have to trade with calm. Then your edge will speak. If this struck a chord, comment, okay, like, share, and subscribe if you are ready to trade smart, not loud. Ready to trade smart, not loud. So subscribe to my channel, my Smart Index Edge. I am Nalnakshi Swami signing off with this note. I want you, all of you, to become smart traders with these 5 mental shifts. I hope this will help you to trade better and build up mental power in your trading. Be a mentally strong person before trading anything. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.